I bought this set of replacement laser printer toners for our color laser printer. Let's open it up, check them out, and see how well they print. So when you take them out of the box, you're going to find them individually sealed and wrapped, which I really like because you don't run out of all of your toners all at once. You know, some may want to replace them all, but I want to replace only the ones that are out. So I know the black is out on our toner, so I opened up the black so we can check it out. It does come with the protective cover over the top that you're supposed to remove, and the little pull plastic piece here that covers it up to keep the toner from coming out. But other than that, it looks exactly like the other ones that we have. So I'm going to go install this one in the printer. Installing the toner in this Canon printer we have here is very easy. There's just a button on the side, and then you pull out the toner tray, and it's got all of the colors here. You just pull out the color that needs to be replaced and put the new one in. So this is the original Canon toner that came in it, and it's even just the starter toner. This wasn't a full toner, so they ran out, you know, rather quick. And this is the new toner, and as you can see, it's got this large section here. That's because this is the high capacity toner. It holds more toner and should last a lot longer than the first one did. And it slides in everything like it was supposed to. So let's push this tray back in and test it out. This is just a quick shot of the pieces that needed to come off. You've got this big protector. It's got those two orange pieces on the side holding this protector on, and then that tape strip right there is what holds in the toner while it's being shipped. You got to pull that out, but that's it. Alright, just did a test print, and the print is back to beautiful. So, I think these did the job. Hope this video was helpful. Thank y'all very much for watching. Take care.